Welcome to the Business Zone. Hi, I'm Del Murphy, your guide to the Business Zone, where we talk about tips that help your business be more profitable. In this week's session, we're going to do a deep dive into the conversion rate KPI. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Welcome to the world of online success. Today, we're going to dive into the crucial concept that measures your website's magic, the conversion rate. Conversion rate is like a digital magic wand, revealing how many visitors turn into active participants, like buyers or subscribers. But how do we capture this enchanting data? This is where Google Analytics and other methods like that come in. They show you the secrets behind user behavior. You can also use special tracking pixels on your ads and web pages to track specific actions like clicks turning into purchases. Let's unveil a potion to calculate the conversion rate. It's a simple formula. Let's see how the magic works. Imagine that you have an e-commerce website that gets 500 visitors and 30 of those visitors buy something. This gives you a conversion rate of 6%. This means that 6% of your visitors purchase something. Now, in this example, it has been an e-commerce site where they buy a product. It doesn't have to be this kind of site. This will work with any kind of site that you can define an action on. Let's look at another real-world example, a subscription website. The action on this site that is considered a conversion is signing up for a membership. Let's look at the numbers. In this case, 500 visitors, and 15 of them convert to become subscribers to the website. Let's do the math. Divide 15 subscribers by 500 visitors, which equals 0.03. Now times that by 100 to get a conversion rate of 3%. Many people think that CTR, click-through rate, and conversion rate are the same thing. They are not. Click-through rate measures a link being clicked, whereas a CR is about the action. You can use the CR as part of your optimization strategy for your website. Use the CR to track the impact of the changes to your website. It's recommended that you only make one change at a time. For example, changing the Buy Now button, like in what I just did on this page. Like I said, change only one thing at a time. Monitor the CR. If the CR goes up, keep the change. If the CR goes down, reverse the change. So what do you change? Start with the user experience that keeps them engaged. Then Focus on the call to action, making it irresistible to them. Do this by using A/B testing. Have 2 pages identical, except for the change. Track the CR on both. Keep the version that does the best. After you've made the changes to the visual aspect of the page, look at the load speed for the page. Lowering the load speed, if the CR goes up, in summary, the conversion rate, CR, often is the indicator that you're going to make money with the website. The CR is an easy to calculate, easy to understand formula. CR equals conversions divided by visitors times 100. Use your CR monitoring to improve your web pages. Thank you for watching. See you next week. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell button below. I have also included links in the description for more details. Links with the written version of this guide, as well as a free book for you. Thanks again for watching. See you next week.